There we go. Okay, I'm filming. What RPM is that?
1,000.
Okay.
Now the box, I have to remember. 4. There you go.
What RPM are you at now?
1,000 on the off spindle. On this guy here.
Oh, what's the RPM on the small one?
1,000 right now.
Oh, so 1,000 on both of them?
That's what I set it to, yeah.
Okay.
But this will go 12,000, that'll go 40,000.
12,000, 40,000. Right now they're both at one. Okay.
So this, it's either or, right?
Right. And then maybe just show me a quick change like you did when you had them stop. Or are you going to crank them up higher? Oh, you stopped the secondary one, it looks like, auxiliary.
Yep.
That one's still going?
Okay. And then here's an manual tool change, because I don't have tools in it. It's going to stop the tool change because there's nothing to put in there.
Oh, that's interesting. So it stops it.
Well, it knows if there's nothing in it that it can't
You
load.
just press the button there, maybe.
Yep, the man, and then that's air. This one's hydraulic.
Okay, air for the secondary one and hydraulic for the main one.
Correct.
Okay.
And then when you're using one, the plug is in the other, and vice versa.
Okay, and then no vice.
No, I'm keeping the vice.
Keeping the vice, okay.